Non-stick pans, and why you should never overheat them. Yes, those trusty non-stick pans that make cooking and cleaning a breeze. So, you probably love your non-stick pan for its easy cleanup and smooth cooking, right? They're practically a staple in every modern kitchen, but did you know that overheating these pans can actually be dangerous? It's a hidden hazard that many home cooks are unaware of. Non-stick cookware is typically coated with a substance called PTFE, commonly known as Teflon. This coating is what gives the pan its non-stick properties. While it's great for preventing food from sticking, it has a major downside. This downside is something every home cook should be aware of. When heated above 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius, Teflon starts to break down and release toxic fumes. These fumes are not just unpleasant, they can be harmful. Yep, you heard that right. Toxic fumes. These fumes can fill your kitchen without you even realizing it. These fumes can cause something called polymer fume fever. It's a condition that sounds technical but is actually quite serious. It sounds fancy, but it's basically flu-like symptoms: chills, fever, headache. Imagine feeling sick just from cooking dinner, and here's a kicker: it's not just bad for you. The impact extends beyond just human health. These fumes are lethal to pet birds. Birds have very sensitive respiratory systems, and these fumes can be fatal to them. So, if you have feathered friends at home, take extra caution. But that's not all. The risks don't stop there. Long-term exposure to these fumes has been linked to more serious health issues like liver and thyroid disease. Scary stuff, right? It's something to seriously consider. So, what's a home cook to do? How can you continue to enjoy the convenience of non-stick pans without the risks? First, always use your non-stick pans at low to medium temperatures. This simple step can make a big difference. No high heat, no problem. Keeping the temperature in check is key to safe cooking. This will help you avoid those nasty fumes and keep your pans in good shape. Your cookware will last longer, and your kitchen will be safer. If you need high heat for a recipe, switch to safer options like stainless steel or cast iron. These materials are built to withstand high temperatures. These materials can handle high temperatures without releasing harmful chemicals. They're a great investment for any serious home cook. Plus, they're super durable and can last a lifetime if you treat them right. With proper care, they can be your kitchen companions for years to come. Remember, your kitchen should be a safe and happy place.